Alright, after a long day, I think it's time to make some pizza. Does that sound me? That sounds good, mate. Ah, good idea then. Alright, but I don't want to use the oven or nothing. I want this to be a long, but I need something to eat real fast, real now. Wait, real now, what? So today, we're making a quick pizza. This is a tutorial, also kind of just like a silly video, but pizza. So, today, what ingredients we're going to use? I don't know what ingredients we're going to use. Well, I'll tell you. Today, we'll be using... Oh, that's the cap. Hold on. There we go. A regular traditional sauce. A flour tortilla. You can use whatever you want. You see this right here? A burrito. I'm going to use it for burrito. We're using it for pizza. Pizza! Pizza! Anyways, then we're also using some mozzarella cheese. It's natural, so we're healthy. So, as you can probably figure, crust bread, sauce, cheese, deliciousness. So, give me a second, and trust the cat, and let's get this pizza started. First thing we're gonna need, tortilla on the plate. I have gloves on. Give me a second. Alright, I've gone out, got the tortilla. We're not gonna make an actual crust, but it's bread nevertheless. Basic flour, if you read the thing from earlier. But it's I would say pretty good pizza. Crust. This is not a good pizza at all. It's a basic flour tortilla. Alright, so next step going to be adding sauce. Give me that Prego stuff. Alright, give me a second to put that on too. Or, matter of fact, I will just use my hands, one-handed. Don't want to spit. I've got it. I don't think it's soldier expired. Look at that. Prego traditional. You go ahead and grab. What we're gonna do? Don't do it two hands. Oh jeez, I need better grip. Give me better gloves or very cloth. They're going sideways. All right, there we go. All right, I can't. I'm looking through the camera. All right, well, this is a good shot. We're just pouring it around. I'm gonna leave the ends. Okay, so this isn't good. So what we're gonna do is gonna go over here and grab a spoon. You just grab that. There we go. Transition. Spoon. Basic. The spoon. Just gonna quickly slap. Look at the gloves. Anyways, let's go ahead and make sure this is a nice even spread. Good camera work, me. Oh, thanks, me. I'm like a professional. There we are. I'll leave the ends just for bread. Probably too much endage, but I don't think this plate's a little too small. What? Can't grab my crap. Alright. Let's go ahead now. I'm gonna pause. Let's add that cheese. Alright. I've here added something in my mouth. I here added some cheese. Like a moron. Forgot the freaking spoon. Just, let's go into the top view. I can't see. Oh no. There we go. I'm just gonna good enough. Alright, so what's next? Got a popper in the microwave. Yes, I know. Microwave. You can use oven if you want. I'm not gonna use oven. Just because quick. No toppings. I'll tell you what to do if you got toppings, but why don't you have toppings, you dum-dum? I don't have toppings. Or it's quick. Do it quick. Easy. So, go ahead and... Oh, wait. All that nice close up at the thing here. And boosh. It's a black screen. No, you idiot. It's a microwave. Alright, go ahead and open. Let's go ahead and transition the pizza, the microwave, and alright. I'm gonna do it for 2.5 minutes. Trust me on this. Bacon's a professional. So let's go. Alright, well, here's the thing. You do 1 minute with what I have right now. And then, if you have toppings, do an extra 1.5 minutes. You know what? You don't trust me. I forgot if it's how long we gotta go. Scratch that. You know what? 30 seconds, then a minute. 'Cause I don't think we're doing it for 4 minutes. Scratch everything I just said. 30 seconds, and then a minute. 30 seconds for just the regular cheese. An extra minute with the toppings on, or just 1:30 if you're doing basic cheese. Let's go ahead here and... There we go. Good to go look at that. Now, minute 30 because no toppings. Well, minute 20-ish now because I just... anyway. I'll just sit here and wait, I guess. For my pizza. 5, 4, 3, 2, hey, 2. Woo! Alright, let's have a look at that bad boy. See if it did long enough. Long enough? Oh yeah. Get in there. Oh, I can smell it. I smelled it. Oh. It'd be better if I had bacon bits, but there we go. A little hot, but I have gloves on. For 2 reasons. One, it's hot, and 2, gloves. On an extremely warm early summer day. Pizza! But I know what we gotta do now. Don't think you guys are gonna trust me yet. So it's time for the taste test. Let's see how this bad boy looks. Let's see how this bad boy tastes. Focus out. And put this piece of cheese back on. There we go. Wait. Oh, I got sauce on my glove. Ugh. So I'll clean it later. What's that? Alright. You know what? Not bad. It's really not bad. I won't waste any of this, by the way, but not bad. That's about it. That's about it. It tastes like sauce, cheese, and the tortilla. If I had toppings on it, would have been a lot better. Well, I'm gonna have to do it for this food. I'm gonna eat this for my dinner. And this is my dinner. Not that bad of a dinner. But hey y'all, catch you next time. I don't outro.